Imagine a singer who once trembled at the thought of performing. This artist discovered a quirky fact. Yawning before stepping on stage can calm nerves. Yawning, a natural response, increases oxygen flow to the brain, reducing anxiety. It's a trick rooted in science, not just a myth. By embracing this peculiar habit, the singer transformed stage fright into captivating performances, enchanting audiences worldwide. This simple act of yawning, often seen as rude, became a secret weapon. So next time you yawn, remember its power. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us